Hi guys, your boy is K Bunny coming your way with another video. Now today I'm going to give you free PSD files. Now as you remember, I already created almost all these flyers already on my channel. Check them out and then see if you really love them. Okay, it's going to show you how to create them from scratch. So that's it. This one I created it recently on my channel. You can see the colors and everything, the background, how I glue everything. It was very nice. You can use it for your next project. This also is more like a church flyer. It's a prayer flyer. Okay, so the colors, the background, everything is epic, guys. Remember, it's in the description or the video is on my channel. You can get it. Now these files are password protected, and that means that you need to watch the video to the end to be able to get the passwords. There are 3 passwords in all. Get them and then put them together. The passwords are all in capital letters. All right. Okay, so now this is also social media ad, or you can say it's a food flyer or poster that I created on the channel. I had to make it photorealistic. It has a little component of photo manipulation in there, so if you want to learn that one, you can also get it. I had to make it real and it looks nice to me, so that is it. I'll show you how it is in there. If you want to edit it, how you're going to edit it. Now this is also a church, so it is a birthday flyer or poster, and I intentionally or on purpose decided to glow it. You can see the background is full of lightning and light leaks, and then also this morph effect, motion blurs everywhere, the names here, and even the texture, guys. Look at the texture. The texture is on the face and everything, and the matte effect, it's not completely black. The matte effect is also very nice. So if you want to learn how to create this, I made a video in my channel. Check it out, and then you will love it. Now guys, you're going to learn a lot if you actually follow the videos, a tutorial that I made about them. You're going to learn a lot. Now this is the PSD files. I want to show you how you are going to edit it if you want to. It's pretty simple, just step by step. Follow it and then you will not be lost. Okay, so now for this one, I want you to hide the FX. Then I also want you to hide the camera raw filter. Great. I want you to hide those two. And then now you can see the background is here. You can just work on the background. It contains 2 files there. The images, you can see where I placed them, and then this is the white glows in there. Great. And then this is the name, Abigail. Good. And then this is the icons. Okay, I say icon, I'm talking about the 3D icon, and then the happy birthday. Then I added more glue to it. Impressive, right? More glues to it. Okay, then I also added the ribbons or the celebration confetti. I added it to it. A little motion in there makes it also very interesting. So I also gave it this morph effect to give it more modern dynamic stuff. And then I also added a message in there. Then the camera raw filter. So the camera raw filter, I want you to click on Control Alt Shift and then E to merge everything. And then I want you to copy it and paste it in here, and then save it. Once you save it, all right, once you save it, you just have to highlight this, and then let's see these ones. I would like you to rename this one to 1, and then go to the action, click on this action. Now if you don't have this action, I'm going to leave a link to a video in the description. Okay, now that video gives you the free action, or it's actually the video of this. It gives you this free action. Now you'll be able to name it to 1, install the action. I'll show you how to install it. Install the action, click over here and click on start, and then it's going to replicate this for you nicely. All right, and so that is how I created this. Now guys, if you love this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. There are more videos coming up. I don't want you to miss any of them, so kindly do so. The more you like this video, the more you comment, the more this video gets promoted in the algorithm, the more happy I become. So guys, do me a solid. And also, if you want more PSD files and more free resources, I want you to check this playlist right here. There's a lot of things that I wish I could give you, and that can only happen if you click on this link. See you in the next video.